What is up, YouTube fam? Your boy is back on the grind one more time. And if you guys have been following me on my community posts on YouTube, or if you follow my Instagram, if you don't follow me at Mr. Griffin 23, or if we happen to be friends on Facebook, then you will have known the Chevelle is done and it is ready for pickup. Yes, yeah, man. So we are going to go pick up that tomorrow. So this video I actually will post tonight, so it'll be a little bit out of the norm of my Wednesday and weekend video, and or if I only post one a week, it'll probably be on one of those days. But anyways, I wanted to get this out there just so you guys know the Chevelle is coming. So I'll post this probably tonight. So if you don't see it tonight, you'll see it tomorrow. And then we can do a complete walk around on the Chevelle on Sunday, and I'll try to get that loaded on Sunday. But yeah, we are getting the Chevelle, man. My buddy Derek, who owns that 442, he actually just took his car to the shop to get some stuff done to it. That car is super, super clean. The previous owner was super meticulous, had every record, did every single thing to that car. That car is basically brand new, you guys. New parts, everything, but he never drove it. I mean, the guy wouldn't even drive it in the rain. So obviously my boy got it. Now he's driving the heck out of it. And so things are starting to happen. You know, if you're not driving them, they're sitting, you know, gaskets, seals, kind of hard and things like that. So you're going to have leaks and all that kind of stuff. So he's just taking it to the shop to work out some kinks. He also wants to do like some brake upgrades, things like that. So that'll be in the shop for a little while, getting that done, getting it ready for the summer so we can roll. His brother is also, crazy story, I have to tell you about it sometime. But anyways, he has a 69 convertible Camaro that's total frame off, painted, everything custom. I think an LS1 is in it, I believe, an LS1, but I'm not sure. So man, we are going to be rolling this summer. It's going to be super dope. But anyways, the Chevelle is coming, man. We got everything sorted out on the hood, the front end, everything's aligned now. He says the hood doesn't shut as flush as he would like it, but it could be the hood hinges, maybe not. But I've noticed that a lot of these Chevelles, the hoods don't shut very flush. Some do, some don't. I was going to get new hood hinges. I actually bought these hood hinges used from an old timer who had a super nice 69 Chevelle, but I bought the hood hinges for like 25 bucks, and he went with some like $700 Ring Brothers hood hinges or whatnot. So but even with those, I've seen people that have those, their hood still doesn't shut flush. So I'm not completely sold on those just yet. So I'll go with the $25 hood hinges as of right now, but we'll see kind of what it looks like, and then we'll go from there. So man, I'm super excited about it. Everything is good to go, so I can't wait to go pick it up. We're gonna go rent a trailer tomorrow. It's already reserved. And then my buddy Derek has a really nice truck, brand new Denali, brand new Denali, super nice. So he's gonna go help me tow it back, and then we'll bring it back home, and so we'll be able to do a walk around on that on Sunday. So in the meantime, I've been getting the garage, trying to get everything straightened out. I had a lot of garbage, things like that. I was just using this area kind of as storage, so now we're cleaning it out. Also, if you can see the wheels behind me, so these wheels, if you looked at my previous video, you'll know that obviously we got tires on them, and we kind of battled with some micro scratches kind of around the outer edges of the lip. So this is the inside barrel of all the rims. And if you can kind of see here, see those micro scratches there? In my previous video, we got them ceramic coated, and then we waited a day and then got the tires on there. Well, when they mounted the tires, these wheels is a face down wheel, and so obviously they put the tire on top, and then they use their tools and everything to kind of put the tires on the wheels. Looks like they kind of scratched up on the outer edge. I thought it would be safe with the ceramic coating, but I don't know much about ceramic coating, so I didn't realize that you could still scratch the ceramic coating, which would make it look like the wheel is scratched. But I still think the ceramic coating was so new and wasn't fully cured that it still was able to get through that ceramic coating anyway and scratch the wheel. So, but the good thing is these wheels being billet aluminum, you can polish them and they look like new. Case in point, right here. Got these done. I polished them all up and they look super nice. So what I did is I used some masking tape, taped inside of here. That way I wasn't going into the areas that were good. And I used a 800 grit sandpaper to kind of break through the ceramic coating, get through those little micro scratches. And so I lightly, just lightly kind of scuffed that up. And then I used some 1000 to kind of smooth everything out. And then after that, I took the tape off, and then we used that mother's wheel. And my thought was, by buffing out here and by taking the tape off, any hard lines or hard edges, the buffer wheel would also kind of buff that and blend it in. And sure enough, it ended up working. So what I did too is I put some painter's tape in here to kind of protect the tire and everything. So, and that way it wouldn't beat up my mother's wheel or mess up the tire and get a bunch of polish on it. So, but yeah, y'all, I think they look pretty good. Get in the comments, let me know what you guys think. So this is the finished product here. Now all I have to do is use my ceramic coating that I bought. So I'm just gonna ceramic coat the edges myself. This is my original plan, is which I was going to do first, but I really didn't know how to do it. I watched some videos, but I really didn't want to mess it up. So the shop, they kind of worked together with the ceramic coater place next door, and they gave me a deal on them. So I was like, sure, why not? But if I had to do it all over again, I would have just got the tires mounted, brought them home, polished them, and then took them back to get ceramic coated. But after watching videos and even watching them, looks super easy. So basically all you have to do is just polish the wheel or your surface, whatever you're ceramic coating. Make sure it's super, super clean. Then it has to be free from wax, cleaner, polish, all that. I believe you have to use something that's kind of IPA based. So I bought this from Amazon's chemical guys. And then wipe it down really, really good with that. And I might even use some rubbing alcohol, but dilute it with water, so just so it's not so strong. Although that's 70%, I might just water it down a little bit. That way that outer lip is super, super clean. And then I will use the ceramic coating. So I got this off of Amazon. This is actually referred to me by again, my buddy Dwight Griffin. He sent me all the information on that. So it was like 40 bucks, but that'll do you know, several sets of wheels. It comes with the sponge and then the rag that you apply it to and everything. You use that and the applicator. You just go around the wheel, put it on whatever you need to, and then you wait about a minute, or I think between a minute to 3 minutes, and you let it dry. And then after that, you wipe off the excess with a buffing towel, and then you're good to go. So that's pretty much it. And I think it actually cures within about 2 weeks, I believe, fully cure. So that's why I did the inside barrels first. That way, if I did mess up or something, you wouldn't be able to kind of see it. So that's pretty much where we're at with these. But man, get in the comments, let me know what you guys think. I think they look really good, and you can see the LED light right here is shining right on them. And look, man, they look almost dang near like chrome. So, but yeah, y'all get in the comments, let me know what you guys think on that. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish up in here. I'm actually going to do some prep work on these two. These are my rear wheels. I'm gonna get those taped up and masked off and everything, so that way they are ready to go, and just really clean up in here and get ready to bring that car home. So you guys definitely be on the lookout for hopefully a video on Sunday. We got a lot of work to do for the gym, so hopefully I can get it uploaded on Sunday. Worst case, it'll be uploaded on Wednesday, so I don't want to make you have to wait that long, but you might have to. But anyways, if it's not uploaded on Sunday, stay tuned. It will be on Wednesday. But hey, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and get to working, but you guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, share, do all that good stuff. Y'all, Mr. Griffin 23. Big things happening. Stay tuned, all right? Peace out.